Yeah, over all these years, I have not tried one Camille Rose product. So this will be the very first. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, I have a product in my hand. And surprisingly, this actual brand, Camille Rose, I have never tried on my hair since going back to natural. Yeah, over all these years, I have not tried one Camille Rose product. So this will be the very first. So today I'm going to be trying the Spiked Honey Mousse from Camille Rose. If you want to see me use it, make sure you stay tuned. And before we even get any further, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go ahead, give this video a thumbs up for me trying a brand new product that you can pick up anywhere. Whoa. This Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse, 4-in-1 styler, nettle root infused. This claims it's a lightweight setting mousse infused with honey and nettle. Is crafted to smooth strands, give bonus shine, and set styles.
Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Habits can be hard to kill, but with you it can't be done. I don't wanna chase a thrill, no. I just wanna overcome. Feeling like I'm lost at sea when I'm getting no love or getting way too much. You see, you're the one I really need. Need you to be here for me. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted.
This foam is something else. You can feel the moisture in it. I do smell a little bit of honey in it. I do smell that. It coats my fingers. As soon as I tried it on my fingers, I was like, oh, it's about to coat my hair. It doesn't feel like it's just water. It feels moisturizing. And then when I pump it out, I almost feel like it's expanding. I don't know why. And I may be comparing this to the previous mousses I have tried, This feels like this mousse has substance to it, if that makes any sense. That's what it feels like to me. I have 4 sections, but I'm breaking them into halves and doing 2 pumps per half. And I feel like that's maybe way more mousse than I should be using. But since I started that way, I'm gonna do my whole head that way. My hair is starting to frizz up some. I did not use a leave-in. I mean, the only thing I used was aloe vera juice. And my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So I don't normally do wash and goes at all. So this is gonna be interesting. I can already see the strands that I need a good trim, but other than that, whoa, I can see the definition. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and I may diffuse this so we can see what it's looking like, because I don't feel like waiting till the next day. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, y'all, so I feel like this is starting to hold my hair already. Seriously, my hair is getting a little frizzy right here. It seems like it's drying already. Frizz is natural for me, and it being winter time, I probably should have used a thicker leave-in, but we're just doing this one product only, so a little bit seriously goes a long way, especially with my hair.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my baby.
Okay, my hair is partly dry, not so much at the roots, but a lot more at the ends. And as you can see, shrinkage has set in, but my hair is defined. My hair is soft, there's no cast at all. I have 0 cast. And the definition is there. I have some frizz, but that was already expected. I would say this gives you just a super soft hold, defines the curls. My hair will be super easy to fluff because it's already started getting fluffy just by me diffusing it. So I'm gonna stop touching it, let it keep drying. So far, I like this. I thought I used too much, but I didn't. My hair is actually moisturized. Now, this does say this is a 3-in-1, so, or 4-in-1 styler. No strong smell. I actually don't even smell anything at all right now. It didn't have a strong smell to begin with. I could barely smell anything, but I could, you know, smell a little tinge of honey in there. But other than that, My hair is soft on my neck. Oh, I like it. It's soft and light. That's it, light. I was afraid it was gonna be heavy because as I was putting it on my hair, I thought I put too much in it and it was weighing my hair down some, but no, this is light. Very, very light. I mean, for my hair to start fluffing up, and all I'm doing is diffusing it. Okay, so, and that's with me just using this by itself. So we'll see, you know, what it looks like at the end of the day. Let it do some more drying, and I'll be back.
Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Yeah. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love.
Okay, so this is what we have here. I have a nice, fluffy, soft, and defined wash and go. I love how light my hair feels, how fluffy it is. I mean, look at that. I can move my strands and split it up as much as I want because there's no cast. I can shake it and not have to worry about it doing anything funny other than sticking to my lip gloss. But I like it. I really do. I haven't worn my hair like this in a really long time. And as I'm doing this voiceover, I have had this wash and go in for about 4 days. My hair has gotten bigger. The definition is still there. My hair is still soft. There is nothing hard or crunchy in my hair. And look at that. You see them curls? Look at them little curls. Look at that. And imagine what this would look like if I had used a thicker leave-in. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to try this again with a thicker leave-in, actual, packaged leave-in, and use this mousse again. But I really do like it. I'm impressed with how much moisture is packed in this bottle. So I want to go ahead and try another Camille Rose product. So let me know which one I should try again. And make sure you subscribe. You see me pointing there. You know you've already watched this. You know you've been wondering about this product. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, okay? And leave me a comment. Look at that. I don't know, I'm just loving it. It's just so comfortable to me. And cute. Reminded me, girl, you do got some hair. You do got some hair left. Anyway, other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.